Hey everyone, it's Sam Bryant from Bryant Taylor Law, and this is a question of the day. Can I start a cosmetics company out of my home? So, we started this question of the day videos because these are actual questions that either clients or prospective clients have asked us and we've had to answer. So, we figure if a prospective client or a client has these types of questions, then maybe there's other people out there who have them as well. Before we get into it, Bryant Taylor Law is a business law firm that helps business owners start businesses and also helps business partners resolve their partnership disputes. So the other day, a woman wanted to start an organic perfume company and she wanted to house her inventory inside her house because she's just starting out. And she asked us if she was allowed to do this. And she called us because she got a notice, I believe it was a notice, or she got some sort of indication from her city that she wouldn't be able to do it. So I told her every city and every county has different rules for every business. Every business needs a city license and a county license to conduct business, and they all have their own separate rules. So generally for cosmetics companies, and especially for her type of business where she wanted to be organic, meaning that she wanted to make all the ingredients herself in house, these companies have some sort of regulation because it's a product that's going on the skin of the customers. So there are some state issues that could arise from that, but let's just put that aside because her primary concern was I needed to actually start housing my inventory somewhere. So she was told that she couldn't do it, and I told her, unfortunately, you have to listen to the city. The city makes the rules, um, and without their, I'm not going to say consent, but without your city license approval, you're not going to be able to conduct business there. In our experience, there are some cities that limit a business from housing inventory on your actual dwelling. So, for example, if you had a lot of land, you wouldn't be able to keep your inventory inside your actual house, but you could keep it on a or in a shed that you built on your property elsewhere. There's some cities that would require your at least it would require a business to get consent from the landlord in order to keep inventory inside the house. So even if the city allowed it and you were renting, you would have to prove to the city that your landlord approves with how you're using your space to help your business. So for this particular person, the city told her you can't do it. So what I told her to do is just to ask them and clarify exactly what can she not do. Can she not keep the inventory in her actual house, or can she not have any inventory at all whatsoever on her property? Or is there a limit? Can she keep maybe 20 units at a time at her house? So these are types of questions that I asked her, to, not asked her, that I told her to ask the city so that she would have more clarity on their rules. Because at the end of the day, the city can decide what rules they want to impose on businesses in order to get the city license. And then once she's done with the city, she can go to the county. County levels are traditionally less strict than city levels. So I always tell clients to worry about the city first and then the county. But again, everyone is different. So for her, she does have a tall task there, but it doesn't mean that she has no hope. Because even if the city does not allow her to keep the inventory inside her house, an alternative is to find an off-site location that she can share with another business owner, or that she can rent space from someone else. And and in the cosmetic industry, it's very common for businesses to do this. They will find a partner where they will both house their inventory together, and then they will go in together on their rental space. But the moral of the story here, though, is if you're going to start a cosmetics company or any company that you know you need to keep inventory for a period of time, keep in mind that the city that you're living in or operating a business in may limit your ability to house that inventory. So you need to factor that into your business plan. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the videos, and comment on any topics that you would like for us to discuss, and we'll be more than happy to make a video for it. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day.